Imagine revolutionizing your CNC operations with cutting-edge technology. At HBMCNC, we're not just about machinery, we're about innovative solutions that enhance your productivity and precision. Dive into the future with our new Wi-Fi USB DNC module, tailored to streamline your CNC controllers seamlessly. Picture the ease of wireless technology right at your fingertips. But why stop there? Check out our versatile multi-tester for encoders and drives, ensuring your equipment runs at peak performance. Upgrade your setup with our encoder conversion cards, or let us design a custom machine that perfectly fits your unique needs. Facing technical challenges? Our installation and retrofitting services are here to transform your older systems into modern marvels. Plus, with our encoder tester featuring USB output, diagnosing system issues becomes a breeze. And for a touch of tech-savvy elegance, our 3D toolpath view brings your projects to life right before your eyes. Curious to see these innovations in action? Explore more on our website at hbmcnc.ir and discover how we can elevate your CNC technology today.